We can't sit still, because when we do, progress stops. That's what drives us to keep moving, to research, to innovate, and to create new ways to secure a future we can build on. By bringing bright minds together, we solve problems before they even exist. By generating more accurate data of the soil around us, we enable our customers to go deeper and build higher. To create foundations and infrastructure you can trust. With a pragmatic mindset and a hands-on approach, we lay the groundwork for tomorrow's safe environments. We are AP Vandenberg. Probe the future.